Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this quick video, I want to show you how you can add a watermark into the chart of Tradingview. And let me show you what I mean. First thing you have to do is click on the right mouse button on the chart, like this. Then you go all the way down to the settings option, and you can recognize it by the gear icon. So click on that. And over here at the appearance option in the menu, you can see this option over here, watermark. And if you select it, and I remove this, now you can see over here what the chart is that you have selected and also the time frame. So for example, if you want to share this with somebody or you want to share this on Twitter or whatever, then it's helpful for people to see what the chart is about and also the time frame. So if you want to edit, now you know how to do it. And if you go to the daily chart, for example, now you see that it also changed to 1 a day. And if you switch to 10 minutes, for example, now you see BTC USD 10, which stands for 10 minutes. So it's a quick and short tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for me to make videos about, make sure to let me know in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.